Hello guys, let's get straight to the point on how to use the Hostinger coupon code 2026. You can see this proof showing that the Hostinger discount is working. So let's jump right into the video. First, click the Hostinger coupon code 2026 link available in this video description. Next, select the hosting type you need, such as web hosting, cloud hosting, agency hosting, VPS hosting, or any other hosting service you want. Now you can see the different plan options available. Take a moment and choose the plan that best fits your requirements. Once you have reviewed the plans, click on the Choose Plan button. Next, you will be taken to the order summary page. Here, select your billing period of 1, 12, or 24 months. The 24-month billing period offers the best value. Plus, with this option, you will also get a free domain for 1 year. Now scroll down and select a server location that is closest to you or your target audience for the best performance. Next, under the order summary, you can see the 20% referral discount. This discount is available because you used my link. Now click the Continue button. Enter your email address and create a password. Once completed, you will be redirected to the payment page. Make the payment and you will receive a confirmation email. That's it. You have successfully claimed the Hostinger deal using the Hostinger coupon code 2026 link.